Hi, welcome to My Cartoons with Jock. Today we're going to draw Phoenix from Super Monsters Monsters Pet. So take your marker and follow along with me. So we're going to start with the head first. We're going to draw a heart shape to make the head. So you can make a little heart and stop right there. Don't go all the way through. And on this side I'm going to draw the other side of the heart. And I'll just bring the line a little bit down. And now I'm going to continue with the chest area. So I'm going to draw a round curve and bring it back. And now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw the top of the head. I'm going to start up here and I'm going to draw a line down. Again, start up here and draw another line. Again, another one there as well. And we're gonna make a couple of these feathers on top of Phoenix's head. There we go, there's one, and we can make another one here, another one, and then right here I'm gonna bring it back. Here we go. And now I want to just draw some details in the feathers as well. So I'm gonna draw some lines like this all the way around. There we go, and the last one. There we go, and there's the head with the feathers. Next, let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a round eye like this, and on this side I'm going to do the same thing, the top of the eye. And then at the bottom I'm just going to bring it around and connect it to the other end. And here bring it down and connect it to the other end. There's two eyes. Let's draw the inner eye, one, the pupil, there we go, and a light reflection as well. And on this side, the other eye, the pupil, and a round circle for the light reflection. And let's color in the eye, the pupil. And now we can draw the little bill of Phoenix, and you can just make a line like this and connect it there on top. There we go. And then just two marks here, that's on Phoenix's chest. There's one, and you can draw another mark there as well. Good. And after that I'm gonna draw the feet. So let's draw the feet, or the talons, whatever you want to call it. Something like this, almost like a clover. And there's one foot. And this foot will be just behind the other foot, so we're just going to make a mark there, a line like this, and you're going to draw the other foot like this as well. And I just want you to draw a little line, and that will be sort of part of the body of Phoenix. And now from here I'm going to start with a wing, right here on top, just here by the neck. We're going to draw a line, and on this side I'm going to do the same thing. So just here in the neck I'm going to draw a line up to there as well. Good. Now what I want to do, I want to start here on top of the toe. That would be the rest of Phoenix's body, and it's going to be part of the wing. There we go, and you can just follow along with me. It's the front part of the wing, and now the bottom part, and I will actually just draw another line here as well. There we go, and there's the bottom part of the wing. We're going to do the same thing with this side. And for the lower part of the wing, There we go. That's perfect. And for the tail feathers, I'm going to start right here under the foot. And I'm just going to make a mark. There we go. And let's make a few of these. So just a few of these half circles. And then the last one. And we're going to take it back and right to the foot there. And let's make right here a few lines in. Here we go. And there's our last line. And let's give it some texture. And one more time, right here, some circles. Good. And there's Phoenix. Now it's your turn to take your markers and color Phoenix in, and I'm sure Phoenix is going to look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon.